Go away.
And now we can't help other people who need help.
Man,
No.
go away, man.
Hey, what are you doing out here? And now we can't help other people who need help. No.
Go away, man.
Can you please refrain from looking over people's fences? No.
Go away, man.
And now we can't help other people who need help. No.
Go away, man.
On you, and
You
that's
ain't
our
got no
job to
proof.
come
Go
out here
away,
and check
man.
you.
Go away.
Can you please refrain from looking over people's fences? No.
Go away, man.
And people don't want someone looking over their fence with a light.
You could accuse me of doing whatever you want.
No.
Go away, man. If you have the
I'm sure
proof,
you do on
then you
purpose.
can open your mouth.
Hoping someone will call. So can you please refrain from looking over people's fences? And now we can't help other people who need help. We will come in.
Go away, man.
And now we can't help other people who need help. No.
Go away, man.
No.
Go away, man.
Can you please refrain from looking over people's fences? No.
Go away, man.
Check the section 1,600 block of Spring.
What are you doing? What are you doing, man?
What?
Keep your distance, man. Keep your distance. What do you want?
Security for this facility, that's what we're doing here.
What?
Security for this facility, what are you doing
Where's
here?
your mask at? You're supposed to be wearing a mask.
What are you doing here with your lights and cameras?
That's none of your business, man. Go back to work and keep your distance. Go back. Alright guys, well there it is. And he's putting on his mask first of all. Oh, it looks like he's coming back. What? What do you mean? Why not?
Not allowed.
Oh, it's not allowed?
No, it's not.
Am I breaking the law? I don't think I'm breaking the law. What? Yeah, but it doesn't matter because I'm in public. Of course I can. There's no law that says I can't. See, you're mistaken. You're mistaken. You're quoting a false law. You're negative. This is public property. I could be here filming all I want, man. I didn't hear you. He said he's gonna call the police. Alright guys, well, it didn't take him long it didn't take him actually more than 30 seconds after he saw me to come out. I wouldn't even say it didn't take him long because that was quick. And then he came out, went back inside, got his mask, and then came back outside. But he said that I can't be here filming using my lights and my cameras is what he said. Go away, man.
Calls about you.
For what?
They're saying you're looking over fences with
How?
the strobe light.
How am I looking over fences?
Well, I'm just telling you, that's what we got the call for. One of the security guards called and said you're looking over fences with a strobe light.
I don't have no strobe light, man. You got the wrong guy.
Well, you got a gigantic light right there that you're shining in my face.
Well, you guys walked up to me. You guys turned on all kinds of gigantic lights on me.
You.
What?
So can you please refrain from looking over people's fences?
I'm not looking over fences, and if I am, I'm in public, so if I can see it, I can film it, man.
If you're causing a disturbance.
I'm not actually, because there's nobody here.
But I can't see your hands right now because you got that light in my face. Would you please shut it off?
My hands are right here, man.
You want to shut the light off, please?
My hands are right here.
You want to shut the light off?
No, I'm gonna walk away.
Good.
You guys have a good day. Go away.
Make sure you stay on the road.
Go away.
You're gonna get a citation for being in the roadway.
Go away. I only came on the road because you came up to me.
Yeah, because
I was standing right here. I was standing right here.
Yeah, because you're shining lights over
Get the f out of here. Go away, man. Man, get out of here. I'm gonna turn my light off so you can act like a coward. Go ahead.
Sure, thank you. How about, was it that hard to shut off the light?
Can you shut yours off?
So, how about you not shine the light over people's fences? Common courtesy.
How about you just get on?
Property.
How about you just get on, man?
It's not your property.
This is not your property either.
This is city property.
Exactly. So go away.
Yeah. So how about we not get any more calls?
How about you go away, man? How about you go away? I'm not interfering in anything. Go away. You guys came up on me. How am I interfering if you came up on me?
I don't feel like leaving. I want to stand here. I'm a citizen. I have a First Amendment.
Oh, you could stand in the street, but I can't, right? You're above the law. You're above the law. Go away, man. Go away. Go away before you use your feelings to make an unlawful decision. Go away, man.
At least you're not causing a problem I'm watching.
Yeah, go ahead. Go away.
So, is this fun? Are you enjoying yourself?
Are you?
Yes, I'm getting paid right now.
Oh, so am I. What?
People are scared of you. That's why we're getting calls.
No, people are scared of you.
No, they're not scared of me.
They're definitely scared of you, man.
So, you have a police scanner?
It's none of your business. It's none of your business, man. You guys can go away now.
Can you not bother people for the rest of the night?
You can go away. You can go away.
Not bother people for the rest of the night?
Can you not bother me for the rest of the night?
Are you enjoying yourself right now? Is this a fun Friday night for you?
Entertaining, isn't it?
Oh, if that's what you're making it, yeah. Where's your mask at, by the way?
We gotta stay here.
Where's your mask?
What's that?
There's an order that you have to wear a mask in public. Where's your mask?
What's that? We have exemptions for law enforcement.
Oh, exemptions. You're above the law again.
Yes, we do.
Okay. All right.
It's called emergency situation.
Yeah. What's your badge number?
You don't need to worry about my badge number.
What's your badge number?
You don't need to worry about my
What's
badge
your name?
You just said you're leaving.
What's your name?
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 I asked you first.
What's your name?
What's your name?
Why don't you sign a law that requires me to give you my name?
What's your name, tough guy?
Are you being arrested?
148G.
Are you being arrested?
148G.
Nope, wrong.
148G.
Wrong. Go look
148G. Go away.
Look it up.
148G. Go away.
Go look it up.
148G. Go away.
Is this what you do all night? You just walk around and shine cameras over people's
If I
fences?
get ass wipes like you that come up on me and want to shine their lights, then yeah.
Excellent language.
This is what we're going to do.
Your mother raised a wonderful
This is what
son,
we're going to
didn't
do.
she? Using that kind of language in public.
Oh, look at you, coward. Go away.
I'm standing here watching you. This is what I do. This is what I get paid to do. It's my job.
All right.
People have had enough of you tonight.
Well, stand here then.
Looking over their fences.
You could accuse me of doing whatever you want. If
I'm
you don't have the
not accusing you of
proof,
anything. I'm telling you what the call
I
was.
wouldn't state that. If I don't
I'm
have
telling
the, if
you
you don't
what
have the
the
proof, I
call
wouldn't
was.
state that.
We got a call about you.
Yeah. Where's
Oh,
the
you think
proof?
you just drove up for no reason?
Where's the
Just-
proof?
So, well, you go pull
Where's
the
the
record
proof
from
that I'm
dispatch.
breaking the law?
Go to the police department tomorrow and pull it.
Where's the proof that I'm breaking the law?
The proof is that we got a call on you, and
You
that's
ain't
our
got no
job to come
proof.
out
Go
here and
away,
check
man.
you.
Go away.
And people don't want someone looking over their fence with a light.
You could accuse me of doing whatever you want. If
Well,
you have
I'm
the
sure
proof,
you do on
then you
purpose,
can open your mouth.
hoping someone will call, so we will come out here and then you
Yeah.
can waste our time. Because apparently that's what you do.
Well,
on
go
Friday
away.
night. That's a
You don't have to waste your time anymore, man. Go away.
Yeah, it's wonderful. Well, we have to stand there and watch you now because you're causing a problem.
Well, then stand there and watch me then.
And now we can't help other people who need help. Somebody's getting
Oh,
beat up
yeah.
right now. We
Oh,
can't
yeah,
help
like
them,
you
but we
help.
have to
Like
stand
you
there
help,
and face
right?
with you.
You ain't helping anybody, man.
So,
You're only helping yourself.
wonderful.
You're only helping yourself. You only worry about yourself, man. You only worry about yourself.
No, I'm worried about you. That's
No, you're
my
not.
job.
No, you're
It's
not.
my job to worry about you.
No, you're only worried that you make it home tonight. That's all you're worried about.
Well,
You don't care about
you can
anything
think what
else.
you want. That's your
You don't
right.
care about anything else.
Have a nice day. Don't get hit by a car. Obey all traffic laws. Don't jaywalk. Don't get run over.
Don't stand in the street. You don't even have your emergency lights on.
Is there a law that requires that?
Actually, there is.
Which one is that? You want to tell me about your new law? Your 148G too? Did you go to law school for that?
Nah, you don't gotta go to law school, man.
What possible reason can you have to be shining your light over people's fences for no? I mean,
What light?
No
I
purpose.
don't have a light. I don't have a
You
light
have
shining
no
over
light at all.
anybody's
You have
fence.
no light at all.
Go away, man. You're the one that's shining your light over people's
Is
fences.
this interesting? The manufacturing facility, is that interesting to you for some reason? Wonderful. Nothing better to do tonight than talk to you.
Yep, just making you look like a fool right now. That's about it.
Yep. All right,
You,
man, I
you
hope
can't
you
even
don't
swallow your
fall
pride and go away, can you?
Stay out of trouble,
Can't even
right?
swallow your pride. See ya. Later.
Let us get
Later,
it.
man. All right, see you later. Bye-bye.
Try not to get hit
Go
by a
tell
car.
somebody else what to do. Go bother somebody that's breaking the law. Get out of here.
By a car.
Get out of here, man.
Take a
I
report.
can't hear what you're saying, so just go away.
I would hate to get for you to get
I don't
hit by a
take
car.
unlawful orders from anybody. Go away. Go away.
Have a nice night. See you later. Have a nice night.
See you later, crybaby.
Can you please refrain from looking over people's fences? No.
Go away, man. See you later, buttface.
Can you please refrain from looking over people's fences? Can you please refrain from looking over people's fences? Can you please refrain from looking over people's fences?
Go away, man.
Can you please refrain from looking over people's fences?